Hi guys, this is Katja with Creators Image Studio. Today I'm sharing another iteration of my Folders and Pockets mini album, and maybe I can remind you of the first iteration of that design. So this is the original with Graphic 45 Safari Adventure, and this time this is a more masculine issue of that same album, or if you like, a travel version. With a completely different paper line. So I always think it's nice to show you the effect of using different collections. Its main design is exactly the same. So here we go. First off, the paper line. This is Go See Explore by Echo Park. And this is a fairly recent collection, so I think you should be able to get this at several different vendors. And why not try scrapworld.eu or in Dutch scrapwereld.nl, who is also the sponsor of this album. So she provided, the store, that is, the store's owner, provided me with these papers to create this album. So check out her website, guys. So this is, as I said, a more masculine version because this will go to a man. So hence the colors that I chose for the cover and the relatively simple embellishing of the cover. And this is the back. And then there's only one little embellishment on the spine. And these metal pieces, travel themed as well, are by Tim Holtz. Now the album, just like with the first issue, has 5-page assemblies plus the 2 inside covers. And there is a tutorial in my shop, guys, for this design. So here we go. We start off with a large pocket on the inside front pocket. And I worked with a lot of decorations from the collection. So there's the ephemera pack, there's the dimensional stickers, the enamel stickers, and well, there's lots and lots of other stuff going on here. Now here is a metal globe, and that one is, I think it's Mariana Design. So let's open it up, and then here I created a booklet. Now this one is new for me. This time I actually created a booklet with some leaves. It's nice to use a double-sided paper for that, and I sewed it together. And there is a free video tutorial on how to create these, guys, so check out the link in the description. Here is a large flap. So I played around with some stickers, and I also added a little detail because I added some glossy accents here on the lens part of the camera. It's a small detail, but I like those things. So let's open it up. And on the inside here is a corner pocket that I created from a cut apart, an A to C cut apart from the collection. So I just simply added some photo mats here. And one is the double-sided paper and one is the cardstock. Just to give you an idea, you can tuck multiple of these here. And then here is the folder. Remember, this album is called Folders and Pockets, so pocket, folder, etc. And here is some photo mats again, this time simply the double-sided paper. And you can glue your pictures on like this, or do an enlargement here. You can do layouts, you know, just decorating them. It's all up to you. And I added 3 of them here, and you can also add some separate photos. So again here, pocket, folder. Decorated the pocket with some die cuts from the ephemera pack, a lifted sticker here, again backed it up with some cardstock. And this is one of Tim Holtz's metal pieces. It says World. One of the enamel stickers. Well, lots going on there. This is a little tuck spot, so just tucked it there. And then I filled the pocket with some photo mats. So a double layered mat here, and then this is from a cut apart from the collection. Double-sided, of course. And here is a handmade photo mat. So you can fit a 4x6" picture here, and I decorated, of course, with some ephemera. And then here, one of the folders again, magnetized closure, opening it up, and again with 3 photo mats, double-sided. Again, you can of course also use some cardstock if you don't have enough of your double-sided papers. Now here I did a string closure and I added one of the little charms again, like the little globe here in the inside front cover. And here is a set of suitcases, or one suitcase actually. So I just tagged that onto the string there and decorated the little layout here. So let's open it up. And there you go. So there is room for pictures here. You can glue down a picture here or even a panoramic picture in portrait mode. And same here, you could glue one or more pictures here, maybe 2 Instagram pictures, but you can also leave it as is and do some journaling here. So it offers some possibilities. Here is a magnetized closure. And here I added 2 photo mats. Again, it's double-sided paper. And these are simply from the 6x6" paper pad from that same collection, guys, the Go See Explore collection by Echo Park. Room for pictures. And again, a magnetized closure here. And again with the 2 6x6" double-sided photo mats. And here I created a tuck spot and tucked a journaling spot into it. Again, another take on sort of a folder here. So again, pocket folder. Here is a swing tab closure so that this booklet opens up and you have a journaling spot. You can do pictures or even one larger picture here. And here is a swing tab as well. Transparent one. Room for pictures or journaling, or both. Tuck spot again, so I cut apart some of the ATC cut aparts from the collection. It's double-sided, of course. And here I created one of the 4x6" photo mat. That is a photo mat for a 4x6" picture here. And of course I left this to be tucked behind it in here as well. Now this can be folded open, so it looks like a pocket, but it is not. So you can add some more pictures here. And then you just lay this into the folder and close it. Time for a pocket again. Journaling spot. And a magnetized flap, so some photo mats here, or not really mats, but you know, place for pictures here. And then there is a pocket, and I tucked another cut apart inside it. And here I did a photo mat, and I stamped my photo here, again for 4x6" pictures, and I played around with some stickers and fussy cut around it to get a different shape, just for the fun of it. So there you go. Pocket again here, folded one myself from a piece of double-sided paper, and I tucked some photo mats and or journaling spots inside, and I rounded the corners, inked around the edges, and there you go, lovely journaling spots and or photo mats. So this is the last page already. There's a tuck spot here. Little journaling spot there, but you can tuck a little picture too. Swing tab closure. Opening the pocket, and you know, the text here was punched away, but if I remove the photo mat, then here it continues. So now it says, because when you stop and look around, this life is pretty amazing. And here is a photo mat created from 2 pieces of double-sided design paper, so no cardstock at all. And of course there's room to tuck your picture underneath this die cut here. And here is a photo mat. So there you go. And last but not least, the inside back cover. So lots going on here. There's a little layout with some ephemera die cuts. Here are some of the enamel stickers, which I love actually because they are transparent everywhere where there's no color. And this is one of Tim Holtz's metal pieces again. It says Brave. And of course my handmade charm and one of the enamel stickers again. So opening it up, and here is a little visual trickery. It's only 1 die cut and the rest is the pattern of the paper, so I thought it fun to play around with that a bit. And here is, like in the front pocket, it's the same kind of booklet that I sewed together. And there's a very simple decoration here, and the rest is just, well, consider it a photo booklet here, because, or even journaling, or both. So again, double-sided paper is perfect for that, and it adds a lot of interest if you have actual booklets inside your pockets. Now, so this is the album. I hope you enjoyed this iteration. It looks completely different from the first, I think, and still it's the same as well. So of course I had some papers left over, not much, but some. And I created 2 cards, which I'm going to show you as well. So this is the first, and I made use of one of the ATC card cut aparts, and I cut apart 2 in a row, so, and then folded it. So opening it up here, and then you have a booklet. So I thought it was a fun front of the card. This is going to a man, so I thought he might enjoy these kind of mechanics, as it were. So this is the inside, keeping it plain and simple, and this is the back. So this is the first card. And the second card, again in these darker colors, because again this is going to a man. And again I played around with some mechanics. This time it's a magnetized closure. So you open it up, and there you have some ephemera. Opening up the card, and here I die cut a journaling spot, and then I used some liquid enamel by Ranger in black. So you can close the card again, and there you have it. So I hope you liked this design. I hope you liked the cards. Let me know by pressing the thumbs up, guys, and click like. And subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of where these came from. Also, please check out the tutorial if you want to create this album yourself. It's very fun to make, and these folders and pockets design pages are, well, they are unique in their own way. So if you want some variation from your standard or regular mini album pocket pages, try these, is my suggestion. And there's lots of pictures and lots of pages with clear explanations. And if you are in doubt, you can check out my snap guide page, which I'm putting below here, because they are free written tutorials. So you get a taste of what my tutorials are like. Of course, the snap guide tutorials are easier, simpler and shorter than my paid tutorials. So if you like the snap guide tutorials, you will definitely like the paid ones, and I don't charge a lot. So I hope you like the cards as well. I hope they've given you some inspiration, and I will see you next week. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.